Topic number 5 subsidiary and lecture number 10th sales book. The subsidiary books is also called the sold books or sales day book. This book is used by businessmen to record credit sale of goods, sale of anything other than goods such as old assets, newspapers, scrap, etc. on cash or credit, as well as cash sales of goods do not find a place. This is the books. This books is written on the basis of source document called outward invoice or sales invoice, bills or credit memos. सेल्स बुकमध्ये फक्त सेलिंग झालेल्या ट्रान्झॅक्शनचं रेकॉर्डिंग केलं जातं आहे. म्हणजे आपण ते ऑन क्रेडिट बेसिसवर कोणत्या कस्टमरला सेल केलं आहे याची इन्फॉर्मेशन्स आपल्याला सेल्स बुक्समध्ये अवेलेबल होते. Format of sales book. Date. In this column date of transaction is written. Particular. In this column the name of customer or purchaser by of goods are written. Then outward invoice numbers. Outward invoice used and spent by the supplier to the buyer is serially numbered and recorded in this column. LF. In this column page number of ledger is written whether that personal account is maintained. Then amount. In this column the next net amount of the transaction is written. Then sales return books is this books also known as written inward books. It is used by the businessman to record the goods returned to him by customer on account of defect in goods, supplied, damaged, not as per samples, late delivery of goods, high price charge, etc. This book is written on the basis of source document called credit note. It is used by the seller and spent to the buyer when seller received defective goods from buyer. It gives complete details of goods returns. सेल्स रिटर्न बुक्सला आपण रिटर्न इनवर्ड बुक्स असंही म्हणतो आहे. आणि हे ज्या वेळेला गुड्सला डॅमेज असेल किंवा काही प्रॉब्लेम्स असेल अशा वेळेला हे क्रेडिट नोट प्रिपेअर केली जाते आणि त्यानंतर ते का आपण रिटर्न करतो आहे म्हणजे त्याचं जे रिझन आहे ते आपण काय करतो रिझनसहित आपण ते सेंड करत असतो आहे. सेल्स रिटर्न बुक्स फॉर्मॅट सेम आहे. Debt. Particulars. Credit note. Credit note issued to the buyer or debtors are serially numbered and record in the column. Then LF amount, both. This common. Then credit note is prepared by the business organization for the when less credit as given earlier on receipt or defective or damaged goods from buyer. It is prepared by the seller when extra debit or wrong debit was already given, when additional credit is required to be given to rectify the mistake committed earlier. Usually these notes are printed and are serially numbered. They are prepared a duplicate. The original copy is sent to the concerned party and the second copy is retained by the person who prepares the same. They are prepared is issued after carefully security. They are signed by the proper authority. And contents: name and email address or business enterprise preparing and issuing credit note, serial number of such notes, date of issue of such notes, the fact of debiting or crediting account of the counterpart, amount in words as well as in figures, the reason for debiting or crediting the account of the person or to whom such notes is issued, signature of the responsible authorities.